In football, champions don't just react. They see the play before it unfolds. They read the field, anticipate, and strike first. See the game before it happens. And on the road, every car deserves the same advantage. Every car needs its championship team. THINKCAR and THINKCAR, your diagnostic squad. Every great team starts with a dominant midfield, the engine that controls the game. THINKCAR is that engine for your workshop. ThinkScan 689BT is your playmaker. Built with Cortex A53 quad-core processor, it operates 5 times faster than similar devices, smooth and precise. It comes with an 8-inch HD screen, 35+ maintenance resets, and OE-level ECU coding. Its bidirectional active testing lets you control vehicle components directly, finding faults 3 times faster than manual work. And with FCRM, one tap on any fault code brings up instant analysis and step-by-step repair guidance. Every code comes with a solution. It supports full system diagnostics for 150+ car brands and is fully compatible with CAN-FD and DOIP. And the ThinkScan 662, the versatile all-rounder. Bidirectional control with game-like ease. 12 critical maintenance resets, 4 system core coverage, 4-channel real-time data streaming catches anomalies early, plus lifetime free updates. If THINKCAR controls the midfield, THINKCAR is your clinical striker, finishing the job with artificial intelligence that sees what others miss. The THINKCAR 892BT, an 8-inch touchscreen powerhouse with 64 GB of storage. Full system diagnostics across 140+ brands, 34+ maintenance services, advanced ECU online coding, and bidirectional control. With built-in AI diagnostics, this tool doesn't just read codes, it understands them, giving you the vision to fix it right the first time. Next, the THINKCAR 682, combining MU-AI intelligence and powerful diagnostics. It features AI report parsing, full diagnosis with root cause analysis, and repair guides. Enjoy 20+ maintenance resets on a 6.2-inch touchscreen. It supports CAN-FD and FCA SGW auto-off for new vehicles. With bidirectional control, lifetime free updates, and 24/7 AI assistance, it's your ideal diagnostic partner. But a championship team needs more than stars. It needs specialists who own their positions. Meet BT200 Max, a compact Bluetooth scanner controlled by an app. Equipped with AI diagnosis, it helps you work like a pro with just one click. It supports full system diagnostics, 15+ maintenance resets, CAN-FD, and FCA. Compatible with ELM 327 third-party apps, it features intelligent sleep mode with no power loss. Plug and play, always ready for use. THINKCAR T261 provides professional TPMS diagnosis. It works with 315 MHz and 433 MHz sensors for unlimited programming covering over 98% of vehicles. Matched with Venue 5 dual-frequency sensors, it features 75 centimeters activation range, standard OE data, and 4 to 6 year battery life, with unlimited reprogramming. 7 champions, 2 brands, 1 mission. From 689BT and 662 to 892BT and 682, BT200 Max, T261, Venue 5. Your championship team, ready to win. THINKCAR and THINKCAR. See the game before it happens.